What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. And right now I am doing fixing my ears, just my ears. So what do on my ears, I'll go straight to my drop pad, then I'll go to my pencil. Let me just put it around 3 or 1 3. Okay, 2 is okay. Just select just something like a layer like that, you know. Then you just click there. We're just writing a ear lining, then go there again, then I just write something like a hole there. Let me say ear inner. I don't know how it look like when I zoom out. Okay, I'll go to do the same thing even this side, but there are a lot of things that I'm thinking right now. Go to objects, go to select this. What I'm thinking, I'm just thinking of removing this side of an ear. Because you'll tell me like if I messed this up, you let me know if I messed it up. But just to be honest, I don't think so. Oh my god, I think that's great. And I can use this one to create I'm just thinking a kind of take this one and put it on the ear lining, take this one and put it under my face, take this one, take this one, put it under that one. Okay, now I just write ear left. Someone told me like you gotta do it according to the side of your cartoon. Just click here, then you gonna go for white there. Okay, just click Ctrl C, click Ctrl V, and you just drag it that side. Just push it just like that. There are a lot of things that we can fix, guys, here. Number one, you can just click select it, just select it, just make sure, like, you see our corners, we can fix our corners. I think this is the only corner I would love to fix. Even on my next year, I don't want to fix everything. I think I gotta fix only like the upper corner. I think this is how I want it, and I'll just try to come a little bit close here. Just click that one. Then I will just let's go for a black hole there. Then around eye inner first. Just drag this, put it on the left. Oh my god, which ear? Good. Okay. What else can I do? Just take this one, put it in between of that one, then you change the color immediately. Change it to white. Change it to white color. Then you can write like the eye innest. I don't know where do I get those terms. Please don't ask me, those are not the correct terms. Now I'll just copy this to this side, after I copied it, there's a lot of things that I can do. Just flip it like that. Just make sure like you flip it the right way though. Rename it immediately before it's too late. Go to the eye inner one, just drag it, put it a little bit this side. Just click your eye innest, just click your eye innest, just do the same thing. Just do it like that. What did I do right now? I did a mistake, guys, because I just combined everything together. I inner first don't have to be grouped. I inner. Oh my god, what did I do? That's how it should look like. Okay. Her eyes are kind of funny though. What? Oh my god. Inner one come here, inner two come here. Okay, for the nose, I'll just do it like this. And just write nose and just try to change the color to, so the first thing you'll do, just select this and just click the color of this, then you bring it a little bit backwards so it don't be a same color. You can differentiate between a nose, but it looked like a skull more than a nose. And we can go straight to the pencil tool and we can just write like that, just to spot it a little bit. Okay, say nose line, and I feel like for the nose line I have to decrease a little bit of an opacity on it. Let's go for 40. opacity for it. I want it to be there, but I don't want the opacity to be very clear for the noise line. I don't want it to be very clear. Okay, that may work. Okay, now I'm only in short of one thing, so I gotta take this. I gotta just do this kind of thing. Control Z. I don't think is that the shape that I want to do. I'll just use like this custom. I don't know like what I shall name this, but this one I can make it a little bit yellow. Then I can go to my pencil, zoom in a little bit. Just make sure your pencil is go around 6 now. Draw a line there. You control C, you control V. You hold it, push it back that like that. Control C, control V. Just move it back like that. Control C, control V. Move it back just like that. Control C, control V. Control C, control V. Move it back like that. Then we just drag all those things under the comb. Just make sure like you carefully select. Okay, that's how it looks so far. So now we gotta animate our ears, our eyes. Go to the ear, nose, eye. Let's zoom in. We gotta take guys, sorry for that. My mic just fell again. Just click here, then you click on that position thing, and you can move your thing like that. Just make sure you click on position, click that. This should be this side. Just to be honest with you, okay, let's just rename this first and say 1. So this one is the one from right. This one should come here. This one should come here. So if I select this one, that's how it should be. And this I think should be below this one. So if I move here and I say position, I can move. If I'm holding this, I gotta move everything. Go to the 30-second position. I gotta move. I'm gonna move everything. Okay. Let's zoom out. Let's just look our one eye can move. It seems that it's moving very slow. Very slow. Someone who can even notice it's moving very slow. So what I will do, just so I can move my entire animate my entire object, I just take this, you put it under the face thing, drag it to the face, drag it on 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 the face. So now if I move my face, everything moves. And I'll be moving my entire face right now. That's exactly what I'll be doing. Now to keep things a little bit, we know like we have our first second here, so we gotta move from this is the position first. We gotta move our face a little bit this way. We come here, we add another position, we gotta move it a little bit that way, take it move it up like this, go here in between, we add another position, we bring it back like that, we added another position, just move it like that. We can now come here and we can copy everything. We control C, then we control V, we control C, and we control V, and let's see how our so that's what we did, guys. Even the eye from this side is moving, but it's moving very slow. So guys, that is the basic of animating and how you can move um and how you can move your animate. So I'll try to create another video where I'll just try to create like a bouncing ball. Okay, see you next time.